Till now, we have discussed all pre-sales and sales related modules. Now we'll discuss one of the most important post-sale module called as purchase management. You have to make all direct purchase related entries in this module, like group tour purchase, hotel purchase, flight purchase, visa purchase, etc. Also, you can make purchase related paid payment entries, so you can easily generate the payment outstanding report in this module. So let's start. Here you can make purchase confirmation entries, like purchases for services. Select a particular customer against which we are going to purchase. Which supply you are finalize. Here you can select either DMC or individual suppliers. If you booked the purchase with multiple suppliers, so there's options of add section. So one sale purchase you can do with different purchase. And here you can define the basic amount or the purchase amount, non-recoverable taxes, service charges, other charges if any, tax type, tax percentage, discount if any, commission. Sometimes the hotel and flights provide the commission, so we can make the entries here. TDS deducted on commission. Any remark you can define into these sections, like ROE, etc. Invoice generated by suppliers, so the invoice number. Payment due date to the suppliers. If you select the payment due date is 15, the account person will get the reminders to release the payment. Purchase date. Similar for another suppliers. So here you can see your two purchases reflected into these sections, the total amount and purchase amount. You can filter in different ways. Then pre-purchase advanced. Sometimes tour operator transfer some advance payment to individual hotels or the DMC. So we can make the advance payment entry into the sections. Let's say 10,000 rupees as an advance with the mode of NEFT. Bank details, transaction details, and your debited banks. Just say. So this advance will reflect in next payment section or the multi-payment section. So for this purchase, we are going to transfer advance payment to the suppliers. So either you can visit the payment section if you would like to make one entry, and I will show you the multi-payment entry into these sections. So let's see payment. Select supply type, select the supplier name, purchase for which services, purchase for customer name, payment date, payment amount, payment mode. You can upload the evidence if any, payment slip, and save. The payment entry reflected into this table. Then multi-payment. Sometimes tour operator release the payment for multiple purchases. So from single entry we can release all multiple purchases. So if you have, here we have done one purchase, so one entry showing into this section. Similar to like this.